In the third tutorial, we are going to find the formula of the gradient of the function f of x equal 1 over x at any point. And for this purpose, we are going back again to page 117, where you need to consider the gradient of a chord joining 2 points which are close together, noting that the coordinates of the first point is going to be x and f of x, the second point that is close x plus h, and f x plus h, where h is the small value that we added to x. Then the definition to find the derived form is the limit as h tends to 0 for f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. Let's use this definition to work out example 4, page 118. Find the definition of the derived function and expression for f prime of x when f of x equal 1 over x. This is the reciprocal, and we have to remember 1 over x is the same as x power minus 1. We are going again back to this point, but now let's say f prime of x from the definition is equal to the limit as h tends to 0 for f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. F of x is given 1 over x. F of x plus h, we substitute x plus h instead of h, then we get 1 over x plus h. Let's substitute both values in the definition. Then it's equal to 1 over x plus h minus 1 over x all divided by h. Let's work the numerator separately. Then 1 over x plus h minus 1 over x, we need to find a common denominator, so we multiply both denominators so it's common between both. Then it's x multiplied by x plus h, or we can say we multiplied both the first term fraction by x over x. Then it will be x minus x plus h divided by x multiplied by x plus h. This is equal to x minus h all divided by x into x plus h. We can cancel x minus x because they are equal to 0. Then the remaining is minus h divided by x multiplied by x plus h. Let's substitute. Then the limit as h tends to 0 for minus h over x multiplied by x plus h all divided by h. We can say it's the same as h over 1. Then this is easy to be resolved. It will be h multiplied by 1 divided by, or minus h multiplied by 1 is minus h divided by x multiplied by x plus h multiplied by h. Then we can see now that h is common in the numerator and the denominator, so the remaining is as for the limit as h tends to 0 minus 1 divided by x multiplied by x plus h. This is equal to the limit as h tends to 0. We can expand the denominator x multiplied by x squared plus xh, and denominator is the same, minus 1. Now if we substitute x tends to 0, then the remaining will be minus 1 over x squared. Therefore the derived form for f of x is going to be minus 1 over x squared. This is the limit as h tends to 0. Therefore, back again to the example, working out the limit as h tends to 0 by substituting f of x and f of x plus h, we are going to get the derived form. And for reciprocals, assuming that or knowing that the 1 over x is the same as x to the power minus 1, because 1 over x to the power 1 is the same as x to the power minus 1, then the derived form is going to be f prime of x, that is the same as minus 1 multiplied by x to the power minus 2. And this is the definition that we are working with.